Miss deadlines?
Stop reacting. Start leading. First, set precision over assumption. Define deliverables, dates, and responsibilities clearly. Ambiguity breeds delays. Clarity prevents them. Next, remove obstacles. Ask what's slowing progress, provide resources, or adjust workflows. Supporting people up front keeps momentum. Encourage accountability. Let team members report progress daily or weekly. Visibility turns vague intentions into concrete action. Model discipline. Hit your own targets first. Teams follow consistent behavior more than rules on paper. Finally, recognize improvements. Positive reinforcement motivates adherence and builds pride in results. Consistency and recognition together transform habits into reliability. Will you shape performance, or let deadlines slip again?